The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following Ohio counties: Ashtabula, Mahoning, and Trumbull, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Crawford and Erie. Effective until 3:02 p.m. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Trumbull County in northeastern Ohio, Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, Ashtabula County in northeastern Ohio, Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania. Until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 1:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Painesville to near Strasburg, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Erie, Youngstown, Warren, Ashtabula, Meadville, Connet, Salem, Columbiana, Geneva-on-the-Lake, Boardman, Niles, Campbell, Hubbard, Canfield, Cortland, Corey, Edinburgh, Titusville, Newton Falls, and Sebring. Precautionary/preparedness actions. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across northeast Ohio. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure, and stay away from windows,